Hello, third graders. We are starting on lesson 22, and I'm going to do an introduction today, and then we'll work through the worksheet, and you will have your quiz on Thursday. Just a heads up, these words will be on the quiz, and you're going to need to match them with their definitions. So be paying attention to those, even though there's no questions in the activity over the derivatives. Know your derivatives. All right, so everybody should be on lesson 22 in the introduction. I'm going to let you read the introduction on your own, but I do want to practice the words with you. So our first one is ego amo te. Ego amo te means I love you. And ego, of course, is me. And we use that word in English to mean someone who's, they have an ego. They're really self-centered in kind of a way. It's kind of a negative thing in English. However, in Latin, it may not be such a negative term. So, ego amo te. Then we move into our vocabulary, okay? Quis refers to who. Quid refers to what. Ubi, where. And cur is why. So repeat after me. Quis, quid, ubi, and cur. Now, the last thing I want to do is I want to go over the Lord's Prayer. The book I have does not include the whole Lord's Prayer. And so I always would go back to the review lesson that we did 2 lessons back. It has the beginning of the Lord's Prayer. And those of you who have the whole Lord's Prayer, you've got a little advantage there. So we're going to go over last week's and this week's. So I'm just going to say it and have you review it. Panem nostrum quotidianum da nobis hodie, et dimite nobis debita nostra. And that's what you need to know this week. Et dimite nobis debita nostra. And that means, and forgive us our debts. So we're going to go through the whole part of Lord's Prayer that we know it. Pater noster, qui es in caelis, sanctificetur nomen tuum. Adveniat regnum tuum, fiat voluntas tua, sicut in caelo et in terra. Panem nostrum quotidianum da nobis hodie, et dimite nobis debita nostra. Keep practicing those. We hope to have the Lord's Prayer memorized by the end of the year. Then your derivatives. Inquisitive, meaning questioning. So you could have an inquisitive child, which many of you are. Okay? Ubiquitous, seemingly everywhere. Mrs. Woolman sometimes at school is ubiquitous. Query is a question to answer someone or something. So I will answer your queries when you write them to me on Google Classroom. And the last one is curious, eager to know. You are a curious bunch of students. All right. Good luck this week. Practice hard. Miss you.